Managing your account's information and accessing support should be simple and convenient. AfrikSabify provides heads of department with essential account management tools that helps you keep your information up to date, access important records, and receive assistance whenever needed. We have the My Payslip section that allows you to view and access your payment records and pay slips whenever they are available. This helps you keep track of your compensation history and download records when required. So we have here where you can download some of the records for the different months. And next we have the My Profile. The My Profile section enables you to manage your personal information, contact details, and account preference. Keeping your profile updated ensures that your information remains accurate across the platform. So to edit your profile, just click on the edit icon, and you can add a profile picture, you can add a cover image, and once everything has been edited, just click on the save changes. Next we have the support center. You can access assistance whenever you encounter challenges or have questions about the platform. You can submit support requests by creating a ticket, report issues via a ticket, and receive help from the AfrikSabify support team to ensure a smooth user experience. We have here the documentation that is going to help you browse on the user guides and some tutorials. We have the chat with Sophie, which is going to help you get assistance using our AI. And we have the WhatsApp support that you can call or chat with us via WhatsApp. And we have this knowledge base. We're going to see all the available articles. We have the tutorials feature, and we have some of the frequently asked questions feature. Not forgetting these two features here, it's going to help you to ask instant questions concerning the different features available inside of your portal. And to create a ticket, click on the create ticket icon. You set the subject, and you add you set the priority. You can choose a category, and you choose a module. Then you can give a short description here, and if you have any attached files, just make sure you follow this format to attach the files. Then you create your ticket. Next, you're going to just head over to your ticket, and in here you're going to see the different tickets inside of your system. And if you want to view your ticket, just click on this icon. It's going to take you here where you're going to see the ticket's information, the different quick actions that are available for this ticket, and we have the related knowledge base articles here. If you want to also add some replies, you can just quickly type here. And if you have attached files, follow this format and you attach the files, then you click on send. Next we have the logout. The logout feature allows you to securely sign out of your account, helping protect your personal information and ensuring that your account remains secure, especially when using shared devices. We also have this search icon where you can search for any specific feature inside of your system. We have this drop down arrow here where you can switch to the different languages that are available, and we have this credits feature here. You can check the available credits for your system. We have this notification bell that shows the different notifications, and we have this drop down arrow here where you can also, that helps you to also check your profile, check the settings of your profile, and you can switch to different roles in case you were assigned to different roles. And you have these push notifications. Just need to toggle that on so that you can receive notifications whenever they come in. So we have this other feature that can help you to directly navigate to your videos, and we have the logout feature. Together, these features helps you manage your account efficiently while maintaining security, accessibility, and support whenever needed. With the AfrikSabify account management tools, heads of department can easily manage their information, access important records, and to receive support when necessary. Everything is designed to help you stay productive, secure, and focus on leading your department effectively. Thanks for using the AfrikSabify platform.